So as the country looks to celebrate 60 years of independence, we look at how fashion can help us celebrate our history and heritage. Tishari Williams is a certified fashion designer, and she's the CEO of TW Originals, a Renaissance couture company. So we say good morning to Tishari. Hi, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
It's awesome having you, Tishari. What does fashion mean to you?
Life.
Yeah.
Expression. Fun, creativity. Just a means of expressing oneself through what you wear and how you wear it.
Did you always have a passion?
Always.
Always?
Always. Surprisingly, always.
Yes. All right. So you had the passion, but when did you decide, no, I have to become a designer. No, I'm designing. And I know you're trained, but
Yes.
were you designing before formal training?
Pretty much somewhat, because it's one of those stories that you might hear that, you know, you've been doing this from you were a young child.
Yeah.
I literally sat at my grandmother's feet, literally. So every time she cut the fabric and the scraps fall to the floor, this is me. And I mean, over time, it has developed into something that has become a part of me, not just, just like how you hear, it's not just a bag, it's Prada.
Yes.
It's not just fashion, it's life for me.
All right, I hear you, girl. So what would you say is your signature style? What area of fashion speaks mostly to you and about your style?
Well, my friends call me the print guru. So pretty much prints are the best way to express myself, because I have what they might consider a bubbly personality.
Yeah.
So what better way to express myself is through these authentic prints, and trust me, it's worth it shipping them in all the way from Nigeria.
Prints, you ship them in from Nigeria. Boy, prints are something else, because prints can go with a solid, but sometimes I say people match prints with prints. I'm gonna go, but never match them two things there.
It's possible, trust me.
Yeah, you have that kind of connection with prints.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna talk some more about what you're doing and the inspiration behind your designs, but we have some models that we flew in with the fabric from Nigeria. This model, I don't know if you have a passport though, and so we welcome Neville Bell. Watch the model steer. You want to laugh, can you want to laugh? Hey. You want to laugh, you know, watch it. So talk to me about this.
All right, so this is a very simple piece, and it can be worn pretty much anywhere. If you want to wear it casually or semi-casual, or if you want to wear it to a formal event, you can dress it up, dress it down with a jacket, with a vest, whatever you decide.
Yeah, let me see
you
the
can wear the
sleeveless.
dress pants or even jeans pants with it. So, I mean,
Yeah.
it can be worn cuffed, and it can also be, you know, those style where you fold upon the hand of the...
And there looks like there's a print inside of the sleeve.
Yes.
Hold up your hand. Are you too tight? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I know I saw something inside.
There's always a wow factor.
Yeah. All right. No, we don't. Goodbye. All right. Up next is Tanya. I love this.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, talk to me about this one.
Now, this is one of my best sellers.
Yeah.
This is what I call the designer Ankara infinity dress.
Yeah.
Not the word infinity. Now, this was inspired by my own complicated work life and social life, where I have to be at 2-3 different events in one day. I don't have time to change. I don't drive a car as yet, so I can't walk with the heap of bag of clothes and everything. So I imagine one dress with countless styles. So the top can be wrapped in so many different ways. I wish I could just show you now, but
I wish you could as
afterwards,
well.
can take some pictures too.
Yes, so
and
this is
I can
one
show you
way.
some styles that.
Yeah, don't worry, Jody is here, so we know we gotta hook up our folks on Instagram a little bit later
it depends
with the
on
different
the event.
styles. Yeah.
You can dress it up with some heels. You can dress it down with some sandals. She has a matching clutch. Oftentimes people want matching masks because you know COVID's still a keep.
Yeah.
And all these niceness. And you pretty much can wear this too. It's flexible right across the board.
Right
with
across
events
the
too.
board, the infinity dress. All right, thank you, Tanya. And up next, I think Alicia is next. Hey, Alicia. Easy. We're going easy in this one.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So you know, Demby is right around the corner. I think it's what, Sunday?
Yes, it's
So-
on the weekend.
For persons, you know, you can dress it down with some leggings, probably a jean shorts if you're into short clothing, your slippers, your sneakers, whatever it is that you feel you want to wear. It's cool, it's comfortable, it's flexible, and it can be worn to pretty much any casual or semi-casual. Because
Yeah.
you know, dashikis are in as well. So,
So what inspires the designs, Tishari? Tishari, thank you very
Events.
much, Alicia. Alicia, no one left, you know. Oh, no, Neville's coming back in something new. That's like, yeah, what inspires it? Events?
so pretty much events, perhaps the mood that you're in, or pretty much most of the occasions.
Yeah.
I don't want to. It's not limited to anything, but
What, yeah,
Most of
whatever
the
the
occasions.
occasion, the requirement, then you design it. And what I like very much is, and we're seeing some of it on the screen, is I think people used to box African fashion in. Used to box it in. And African fashion is so diverse.
It
It's
is.
traditional, it's couture,
Oh, that's me.
it's contemporary. African fashion is a lot of different things. And so we're able to see that. So we're going to bring all our models back out. So it's TW Originals.
Yes.
How did you come up with that name? I know it's your initials.
yeah, of course. I
So
mean,
you
the
said
big
two
brands are
originals?
all the
We said
designers'
two
names.
originals,
It's
or
not
we said
two-
TW?
It's TW Originals because
Okay.
it's a Tishari Williams Originals, and it spells the acronym too.
All right. I like it. And you do custom designs as well.
Yes.
Excellent. If someone wants to get in touch with you, how do they find you, Tishari?
They can find me on Instagram at _TW Originals _ or on Facebook at Renaissance Couture. They can visit my website. All the information is on all of the pages. Or if you want to just skip all of the long wait and give me a direct call, you can call me at 876-297-4508. So that's 297-4508.
All right, Tishari Williams, certified fashion designer and CEO of TW Originals, a Renaissance couture company. Thank you, models. Please give back the lady her clothes. You see them standing over like them ready to come out. Alandia, go to the security, make them wait for them right here. Are you a procrastinator? We're going to take a test after this break. Thank you, guys.